No? Tinu. Hi, Tinu. See, Tinu has grown up and she has given birth to these three babies. Oh, sorry that you have to go through so much pain being a baby yourself. Oh, oh, what? Pookie, Pookie baby, Pookie baby, Pookie baby. I just got done reading two chapters of this book and it's currently 8:11, and I know it's already late because earlier I had a plan of getting in a 10-minute workout along with 5 minutes of a good warm up, but I don't think I'd be able to do all of that because I will really be late for preparing my breakfast because today's breakfast is going to be a bit hectic and like a bit extensive. It requires me to just grate a lot of veggies. I think the preps is what is gonna take the most amount of time, so that's why I'm just thinking of skipping doing my workout today because I anyway worked out yesterday, so I don't think I should be like really hard on myself. Oh my god, my arms are really, really, really already sore. I mean, I still have got one more carrot, one potato, ginger, and I think half of a zucchini more to grate. And I cannot believe like this thing is hurtful. I forgot to show you guys one main ingredient, that is a tofu for the protein bit of our recipe of a breakfast. Okay, you've seen the entire preparation of my today's breakfast, and it's time for me to give you people the taste test, a quick one, because as always, I'm running super late to leave for my office. So, here we take this gigantic stuffed chila in our hand and just bite into it. No doubt, it's really awesome. I mean, it's filling. It's really filling, really healthy. It's loaded with so much of stuff that's all healthy. The texture of this face wash is very homemade face wash, like as if you have prepared this face wash in your own kitchen. You know what? One thing that I really have been meaning to implement in my life and like incorporate it for real, and stick to it for real, is just going to my office on time and just be punctual. But guess what? It's nowhere in the picture. I always end up getting late, especially on the days when I film for you guys. And I really don't like it. I have really started hating the idea that the people, the staff, my manager perceive me by, like, I don't want them to just feel like this girl is always late and she has no office etiquettes at all. I do not want to be that girl. I mean, if I'm running late once in a while or like once in a blue moon, it's okay, it's acceptable. But if that is my regular thing, I seriously don't want to make it a part of my personality. Uh, One of my most favorite sunscreens ever to exist. I had a plan of talking to you guys about this new skincare product that I was supposed to use this morning in this vlog, but guess what? I'm running super duper late, and today I haven't even informed my manager about me arriving late to the office. So I thought, let's just rush. I'll probably talk more in my next morning vlog. We are running late and there's traffic, obviously, as always, as expected. So I would just take that blame entirely on myself, because I'm like always aware of the traffic. It's like, luckily, sometimes, like just on some days, that I don't find the traffic, like crazy traffic on my way to office. But on most of the days, it's just a certainty that I'm gonna find it. So although I've now dropped a text to my manager that I'm running late by like 15 minutes, so please just permit me the same. Okay, I thought, let me just tell you people about this new song that I've gotten a little obsessed with. My sister told me about this song and I've been listening to it for a few days now. So let's just vibe together. This is another of my all-time favorite songs. I love this song and especially playing it in my car. मैंने सोचा इतना लेट हो गए तो थोड़ा और लेट हो जाते हैं and let's just make our trip to our office a little more fun. So, ओ सनम, ओ मेरे सनम, मोहब्बत इस सफर में I don't know how to speak Arabic. I don't know Arabic language, so forgive me for not being able to enunciate that part. But nonetheless, it sounds so sexy, I know that. सेकंड में एक ही फॉर्म आया था, मुझे इतना पता है, और ये मेरे सिस्टम चालू में टाइम लगेगा मुझे. Look at the sky, man. Oh my god, this is so beautiful, and this is not the usual sky in a city. It's because of the weather. It has turned yellow and this is so unusual, and hence it's making me so happy right now, like happy like a kid. It's just so different to see a sky that yellow.